Look at this texture. It's really amazing. Now we smash the pomegranate and let the juices get out of it. We put the pomegranate in the pan and let it boil for a while until we have a pink color. The pink color starts to appear in some parts of the pomegranate. Look at this pink color. Now it's ready. We want to use a blender in order to smash it and let the juices come out of it as much as possible. After the pomegranate cools down, we use a blender to squeeze the liquid out of it. Now it's ready. The juices has completely came out of the pomegranate, as you can see. Now we need to use a piece of a cloth that has this texture, so it can let the liquid goes through it. It has very tiny holes, as you can see, and it can let the liquids come through it. As you can see, the pure juice comes out through the tiny holes. We have to keep squeezing to let all the juices come out like this. And now we put the pan on fire on low heat. Look at the foam that is gathering on the surface. We need it to gather completely so that we can remove it later. And now look at the liquid, it is decreasing. Look at this texture, it's really amazing.